What up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech a Day, and I got some great news. Been working on this for a while, and I can finally bring it to you. And it's kind of interesting because if you've been following the channel, I just like a couple days ago released the video "Protect Yourself" on the insurance from Allstate, on mobile insurance for that. So this is going to be an update to that. But before we do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description. The Moto Razor Thinborne case giveaway still going on. I should have that case this week. It looks like it is in Chicago. I'm still just waiting for it to get here, but it will be here. So as soon as that case gets here, like I said, I have two coming. I'm giving away both of those cases to you guys since it took so long to get here. And I'm gonna add these two cases to the mix. So we're giving away 4 cases for free. So you guys hit the link in the description, and the first 2 winners will get the Thinborne case, unless they want one of these, and the remaining 2 guys or 2 people will win their choice of these cases. Now, if you guys don't know, I have a website, techaday.net, and we sell all kind of phones from everywhere. And I've kind of been slow to put phones on that website, primarily because I know that right now, some of the other guys out there, Wanda, Average Dad, some of the bigger guys, Trinity, they are so established right now that someone else coming into the game would need something major besides your trust to establish themselves in the game. And because I am a techie first, buying phones, I know the number one thing I see in all the Reddit forums and all the, chats and all the stuff, so many times you guys are saying, man, I was so close to buying that phone, but what happens when that phone breaks and I can't get service? And even though I know for a fact, I know the people that work for AD, and I know they're great at helping, you guys get phones fixed. I know, that the people over at Trinity will help you guys, get phones, fixed and all that stuff. But unfortunately, if you crack a screen or any of that stuff, you still got to come out of pocket for those devices. If the phone itself breaks, there's a 1-year warranty, and they'll cover that stuff. What's not covered is the accidental warranty. If your phone is ever stolen, you know what I mean? That's the stuff that's not covered because nobody insures these plans. Not anymore, right? Tech a Day will be launching a mobile protection plan called Protect Yourself. We'll be offering a 6, 12, and 24-month plan. You heard me right. We're going to be offering a 6, 12, and 24-month plan to protect your mobile phone. Any phone, import or your Samsung, your iPhone, your Google, your Tecmo, whatever phone you have, will protect it. Okay? Accidental, theft coverage, all of it is covered, right? No, I'm not joking. It's going to be covered. So what I've done, I've partnered with a company, and they'll handle all the back end stuff. And we're going to be, providing this product to customers. Now, originally I thought I'd only be able to provide this to new customers buying from my store. Well, we've been able to go a step further. Any phone in working condition that you own, you can buy a plan from us, and that phone can be protected. So you can bring the device that you're using right now, and we'll be able to protect it. And like I said, you can buy a 6, 12, or 24-month plan with us. And I tailored these plans specifically because I understood that in most cases, most tech people fell into one of three categories. The 6-month category were the techies that are like myself, where we're going to bounce around. Chances are we are going to use a phone for a little bit, but yeah, we're not going to keep it for a long term, but we still need protection. You know, we're going to have probably multiple phones in a year, and we need protection. You know, that's where the 6-month plan comes in. Then you have the people that would want the 12-month plan. This is for those people that are probably going to upgrade their phone every single year. You know, you're going to come up, you want the, you know, you'll get the iPhone 17, the 16, 18, you know, that's for you guys. And then the 24-month plan is for those people that keep their phones long term. You know, you might go from the 24, you know, the S24, you might not get another phone until the S26. You know, those long-term people, no matter where you fall in the spectrum, I wanted to make sure that there was a plan specifically tailored to you. Now, I don't have the cost of all this stuff yet, but I guarantee you, like I said, I'm going to make sure this is very reasonable for everyone. This isn't going to, be something that's going to cost you guys an arm and a leg. It's going to be your standard type of plan. You know, there'll be deductibles, for screen repairs, whether it be, screen repair or a full replacement, that type of situation. And this company that we're using for our back end is very tech forward. So it's not going to be a situation where like Greggles had with his Galaxy Trifold, where you're going to have to fight this company to get your payout. If you have a realistic claim, you're going to be able to do everything online on your phone, on a phone or on a computer. Obviously, if your phone is broken, you'll be able to do everything on a computer, send everything in, and, you can get your stuff paid out within, 24 to 48 hours. Like, we make this very quick, very painless, and it's very tech forward because we understand being without that phone is a pain. And so we're not here to fight you on the claim. If you have a bona fide claim, once you're registered and everything is done through the app. You can do it online or on a computer. Everything, it's set up is very simple. Claims are very simple. You don't have to call a 1-800 number. Everything is made so that you can do it easily, tech forward, and very simple, so that you can be in and out and you don't have to fight with people to do a claim. The way he was dealt with, that's something you shouldn't have to deal with. And when you're dealing with us, that's not something that you will have to, you'll have to go through. So I'm excited about this. I got a link in the description to join the wait list. I'm telling you, join the wait list for this plan, and you'll be one of the first people to get notified. Not only will you be notified first, but you'll be able to join the plan at a discount, the lowest price possible. You'll be able to join this plan and protect yourself, right? Talk to you guys later.